Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be reviewing a travel kit. Now this isn't tech related, but a company sent it out, so I just figured I should make a video because why not? But this retails for under $10, somewhere around $8 or $9. It's pretty inexpensive and it comes with a lot of stuff for travel, and it's very compact. As you can see, it's by Ritpack. It says right here, nobody cares about your trip experience better than ours. This is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this. So it comes with these four tubes, which you can use for like body lotion or shampoo, conditioner, and you're able to carry a good amount. And it comes in 4 different colors. I believe they have different colors too. So it's not just these ones. They have like gray and some other ones. So if you want those. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, you have these. And then they have like little tops. Hold on. Like this. So like you can squeeze it out, which is pretty cool. And then you also have 2 of these containers, which I don't know what you can use these for. Probably for, like I said, lotion or something. And they have these little caps on top, which is pretty cool. And you could just put it there so it doesn't spill out, just to help it, which is nice. And you get 2 of them. You get white and pink. And then you also get these toothbrush caps, which is pretty cool. They are pretty good build quality. They look nice. And you also have whatever these are. You get 2 of these colors. I don't know what these are. Probably, I don't know. I'll have to read it. And then you have little labels, which is awesome, because you can label on like the lid right here or on the bottle, wherever you want to put it. Lotion, and then you can customize your own, which is pretty cool. So if you want, like, you could put dad's, mom's, yours, sisters, whatever. You can put it however you want. And then yeah, you have pre-made ones here. Toner, moisturizer, hand cream, face cream, body wash, hand wash, hair serums, I don't know, lubrication, lotion, sunscreen, lotion again, conditioner, facial cleanser, conditioner again, shampoo and shampoo. So that's pretty cool. So that's all you get for like $9, which is pretty cool. Definitely worth it. It's like you get, so if you like are going on a trip or something with your girlfriend or something, you have like certain colors for certain people. So like this side is the female side, as you can see, and then this side's the male side, so you get half and half, which is pretty cool. Or yeah, I don't know what these are. If anyone knows what these are, let me know. It says nothing in here, so I don't really know. As you can see, over here, thank you for purchase, and then it has a prize for feedback, some other stuff. So yeah, that's just a quick video I wanted to make. It's not obviously tech related, but I just felt like making it. So thank you guys for watching.